wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best laundry sorters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Amazon Basics 3 bag is a bare bones option with chrome-plated steel bars that serve as a support structure for its 3 poly-cotton bags with built-in metal hangers. It's a great choice if you go through roughly equal amounts of white, dark and dry clean only items. The bins are machine washable and it comes with convenient locking rubber wheels. However, the cloth material is too easily ripped. At number 9, the OXO Double Flip has dual compartments with lids that flip in when clothing goes in and flex back to hide the mess and prevent anything from flopping out. Subtle piping is sewn around each opening to indicate what's meant to go inside. It's a stylish and sleek design with thick cushioned handles for carrying, but it doesn't come with removable bags. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Songmix URL S90H storage cart has 4 lift-out bags for extra organizing options, but do note that the individual bags are a bit small to compensate. Each section has an angled opening for easy access, creating a handy backboard for tossed socks. It's a sleek all-black design, and the bags are PVC-coated polyester. However, the wheels are a bit flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry sorters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Easy Lift Triple from Whitmore has 3 bags that separate from its frame for easy portability. It features a handy tabletop for ironing or folding that flips out of the way when not in use, and can be rolled straight to your utility room on its built-in casters. The table cover resists iron scorches and its steel construction feels robust, but the bags can't stand on their own. Moving up our list to number 6, the Honey Can Do SRT01154 self-describes as an urban rolling laundry center, and indeed between its 3 organizing bags and sturdy hanging rod it's quite accommodating. The cart has 4 locking casters and the bags can be removed when it's time for a wash. It offers a simple and straightforward assembly, and the rack positions are fully adjustable. However, the thin metal parts are easily bent. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Simple Houseware Heavy Duty comes with 3 sturdy removable bags that make it easy to organize your dirty clothes and dump them into a washing machine. The bags lift out and can be carried easily by their wire handles. It features a sturdy bronze-finished steel frame and dark-colored bags that help hide dirt, but assembly can be frustrating. At number 4, the Household Essentials Double Hamper has a detachable lid with a magnetic lip for easy and secure closure. It holds around 4 loads depending on the size of your washer, folds flat for storage, and comes in 4 different colors and patterns. It's a durable linen polyester blend with a moisture-resistant liner. However, it could use some carrying handles. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Whitmore folding station has a sturdy upholstered board on top that makes ironing clothes a breeze. Its durable bags hold a combined 3 loads of clothing, so you can really take your time between washes without running out of space. Its mesh panels allow air to circulate, and the bags cinch at the top for carrying. It works with or without its wheels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry sorters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Deco Brothers Heavy Duty Cart is a sturdy option with a telescoping bar that's perfect for hanging freshly washed shirts, and collapses when not in use. Its 3 canvas bags come with removable handles and contrasting piping, keeping your dirty clothes in stylish order. It's equipped with an all-metal chrome-plated frame and backed by a lifetime warranty. The bar and supports are easily removed. And taking the top spot on our list, the stylish Seville Classics Oval is made from water hyacinth stalks that are hand-woven around a steel frame to form a resilient hamper with a lovely natural finish. Its dual-hinged lids lift to reveal 2 machine-washable canvas bags for separating your lights and darks. No assembly is required, and the bags are secured by Velcro fasteners. It's lightweight and easy to carry. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laundry sorters, or simply click beneath this video.